A new feature of Travel Assist is available for CUPRA Born users. You can now take advantage of the upgraded Connected Travel Assist. By drawing on data stored in the cloud, Connected Travel Assist keeps you in the center of the lane when there are no road markings visible. Setting up Connected Travel Assist is easy to do. Simply follow our step-by-step guide to enjoy the enhanced safety this technology offers. When inside your car, open the in-car store on your infotainment system and make sure you are registered as the primary user. Select Connected Travel Assist and then Buy. Confirm your personal information. No credit card details are required at this stage. Select Continue. Accept the terms and conditions, then select Order. You will now see the confirmation in the infotainment screen. Enriching Connected Travel Assist from your CUPRA enhances driving safety for all road users. Open the app and select Vehicle Permissions to begin the consent process. Check Consent for Semi-Automated Driving Development. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Save. Giving your consent will help keep the system up to date. By accepting it, data shared by road users ensures the system is performing at its optimum and is always 100% secure and anonymous. After completing this process, you can enjoy a free trial of Connected Travel Assist.